Hi guys, it's Brent here from I Buy Any Bike. Here we have our 2005 Aprilia RSV1000 Factory. It's got 10,300 miles on it. Currently got 322 miles on the clock. The battery did go flat at a point and it resets the clock, but the mileage all adds up, it's all documented, and currently sitting on 10,300. As you can see, it is in lovely condition for its age. Bike's nearly 16 years old now and doesn't look a day over 5 years old really. Some fantastic extras. You can see Akrapovic End Cans on both ends. Got a seat cowel over there. Unfortunately, we do not have the standard seat with it. It came to us like that. As you can see, no marks, no scratches. Got a carbon fiber side cover there, which is a nice extra. Nice purple frame, obviously, which the factory model comes with in this year. You can see the rim and swing on the side. Nice and clean, nice and tidy. Same goes for the paintwork and the engine on this side. See, no rust, no corrosion anywhere on the frame, anywhere on the paintwork either. All extremely clean. It's a fantastic bike. A few extra carbon bits here. You've got anodized levers, clip-on handlebars as well, which are fully adjustable. Black bubble screen, double bubble screen. Your Ohlins Forks over there and Brembo brakes. Comes on the factory standard carbon fiber front mudguard, sorry about that. Again, all nice and clean and tidy. A lot of the fairing is protected by clear coat paint protection, which is also a nice addition. The tire condition decent, not new, but still plenty of rubber left on them. And this side over here, pretty much more or less the same as the other side of the bike. It's small little scratches over there in the carbon fiber front mudguard, tiny, as you can see. Other than that though, nothing worth noting at all. The bike is lovely, very clean, very tidy, clearly been very well cared for. See, going down this side, it's more or less exactly the same as the other side of the bike. Nice and tidy, no rust on the shock linkage. You have the Akrapovic exhaust on this side over here, Ohlins rear shock, trickle charge at the bottom there. Small little marks over there. I don't know if someone's caught their boot on it, in the paintwork. Really small there. Moving on to this side. See, rear tyre also got good rubber still left on it. Going over the top of the bike now. No scratches on the petrol tank. It has got a tank pad. And the paintwork on top of the tank, nice and tidy. You look over there, you can see 322 miles. All adds up from the past MOTs and services, and the bike is currently on 10,300 in total. Let's fire up for you quickly. Start straight away in a cold start. And sounds absolutely fantastic with these Akrapovic exhaust pipes on it. Extra worth noting at the bottom there's your Ohlins steering damper. As you can see, bike is fantastic. We'll be leaving us with a fresh MOT and a fresh service as well. Thank you.